Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special food called zobo white rice. So guys can see the zobo here. This is zobo flour and this parboiled rice, and here is salt. So the only thing I will do, I will add hot water on the zobo and soak it like 1 second or 2 before I'll filter it and use it and boil the rice. It's white rice. That is zobo white rice. That is the title. So if I use it and prepare it like that, you see how the color will come out and you love it. When you prepare it like that, you can make any of your sauce and take it. So let me add hot water. I've already boiled the water. Let me add the hot water on the zobo. So guys, this is the hot water. Everybody know the work of zobo in the body. Zobo is very good in the body. Zobo can reduce fat. It's good for heart, and salt will give blood also. See, you can soak it for hot water. It's not warm, it's hot water. You boil your water very well and soak it. See, so I'll leave it like 2 seconds before I'll filter it. Keep washing. Wow, so guys can see how the zobo, can see the water of the zobo. Let's filter it now. I have my filter here. I'll pour it here. So now just small quantity I use. I just want to show you guys. So it's not only for drinking, you can use it for many things. So that's why I want to show you how to use it. You can use it for anything. It's not for only drink. I'll now pour it in the pan. This is the rice. Now pour it inside. Now pour it inside. This is zobo rice. Now add salt for it. Now put it in the fire now. So guys can see it on the fire. I'll leave it like 10 minutes so that the thing will boil. Then after 10 minutes, I'll sieve it. Then you see the color of the rice. You love it. So keep washing. Wow, so guys can see the rice. Now off the light. So I'll sieve it here. So you can see, I see the juice, the water. So I'll put it in the plate now. Wow. So you can see, this is zobo rice. You can see the color. If you do it like this, you can use your sauce, or you can turn it to jollof rice, or you do any sauce where you can use it and take it. So I want to test it like this. I know it's sweet because I add salt. Just like normal rice, but the color just changed. So guys can see, it look very yummy, abi? And see, so that is all for zobo rice. So you can use zobo for anything. It's not for only drink. You can use it and prepare something different, and you like it to come out fine. You like it. So that is all for zobo rice. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment for it. Share it to a loved one. We meet again in my next video. Bye.